play actually? What do you mean by a play?
When people come together and tell some value through their actions and
It's mainly through actions or dialogues? Dialogues, right? So in a play, the main thing we have is a plot, right?
Yes.
In the plot, we have a setting. We have some characters, and the characters, they have some dialogue deliveries, right?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we need a setting because a play is done on a stage, right?
Yes.
It has to be enacted. So, when you have a play, especially the audience, they need to relate to what you are seeing. So, we need a setting. Setting means the stage setting. Setting is mainly done for the entrance and exit of the characters. Exit of the characters and the stage setup, right?
Yes.
And the stage setup. This enables, why does a playwright, one who writes a play is called a playwright. When a playwright writes the setting, why does he write the setting? To enable the director to have a vision what the writer wants on the play, on the stage, right? So that is called the setting. Now we have characters. Characters can be mainly we see. We have a protagonist. We have antagonists. These are the two main. Protagonist means one who is the positive character, hero of the play. And obviously the antagonist is the villain of the play. And we have some subsidiary characters as well. Correct? They are small roles. So we have the setting, we have the character, and we have some dialogues. Now dialogues can be monologue. Dialogue means mainly when we talk to each other. Two people are talking to each other is a dialogue. And there can be monologues where one single character is continuously talking and connecting with the audience. Means thinking loudly. That is monologue. Right? What does the playwright want? The playwright wants the audience should know what is going on in the mind of that character. But the third person, the second character will not know. So that is monologue. Clear? In a play, how does the play actually proceed? First is the exposition. Right? I will tell you what is exposition. Then is the building up, or we can call it climax, anticlimax, and the conclusion. Right? Okay. What do you mean by exposition? Exposition means the word comes from the word. The word exposition, what's the root word of exposition? Exposed. It means the characters are exposed in front of the audience. Exposition means where the setting and the character is exposed. So first thing is exposition. Exposition means the playwright will tell you this is the setting, these are the characters, and then, so first is exposition. Then we come to climax. What is climax? Climax is built from conflicts. There can be internal conflict. There can be external conflict. Now, what do you mean by conflict? When there is a certain sort of, it can be the level of minds, conflicts in the minds, or it can be a verbal conflict. It can be a something silent. Now, internal conflict is something that goes on between in an individual. Means maybe there is certain crisis and that particular character is facing some sort of conflict. On the face of it, it is mainly internal conflict. I think you people have read the chapter. There is a character called Gary, and he is fighting with a conflict. What conflict is that? That I don't know good. I am not accepted in the society. So that is the conflict he is going through, right? That is an internal Jerry and Mr. Lamb. Yes? So Mr. Lamb, so that conflict was also there. He thought that Mr. Lamb will not